analysis tools. These are the kinds of analysis tools that are currently on the site. These are growing. We are in our relationship with the folks at Argonne. This is a big effort right now. So currently, we are only providing an interface to their systems, but soon we will also be providing ways for infectious disease researchers to access this kind of data. That's very important in microbiology now. And the last point, but perhaps the most important, is this usability engineering. Oops. So how did I do that? Okay. So this has to do with essentially, we now spend 80% of our time, roughly, figuring out what it is that needs to be built in terms of the interface to the user. Lots of interaction with our user communities on this. Lots of drawings and then, simple wireframes and go and come and go and come. Finally, 20% of our time is spent in coding and testing. And I think that's the biggest discovery we made in the last 5 years. That's, in my view, the right relationship if you are building this kind of system for a large distributed community of users. If you don't do this, it's very unlikely that they will be able to use effectively the site. So as we thought about this issue of the integration of this integrative system in the real world, we thought one of the things that's missing is you can enter these systems usually by knowing asking a question about a pathogen. Okay, so I'm interested in SARS, and so I ask questions about SARS. But actually, it turns out that there's a much broader community that's interested in the disease. Okay, and this would bring in people who are immunologists, vaccinologists, microbiologists, all sorts of things, epidemiologists. Whereas if it's specifically about the pathogen, if that's your only way of entry,